The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, now brace yourself because I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video might make you, my viewers and subscribers, sad. This video shows a young lady crying, and in the video the female shows a place that she said is her home. In the video the female went on to explain certain things that she said happened to her. I don't know the female, I've never met the female before, I've never talked to the female before in no way nor no form, you understand? So therefore I cannot confirm if the things that she said in the video are true or if they are not true. No, I cannot. See? I do not know when the video had been recorded. And in my point of view, the female did the video to let persons on social media know that she need help. Now I'm going to present the video to you first, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the video after. Alright? And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
And this is actually my home. 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 This is the drum that I catch water into full up to wash clothes or wash plate. This is actually the house that is closed all around to back out the rat, but you can actually see that the rat pull them out and come inside, and the cockroach. And this is actually the toilet. This is actually the toilet that I use. This is actually the toilet that I use. This is the toilet that I use. This is the toilet that what I use. This is actually the surrounding in my yard. This is the next part of, actually this part was dropping out, and my father visit and back it up with the zinc and something. Actually meant if I could actually take out the zinc, I will show you plenty of my clothes underneath there where I used to back up the flooring. This is actually the house. This is actually the house. This is the fence. This is the fence that I can people fence their yard. This is the fence that fence my yard. And this would be like the veranda. This would be like the veranda, wash plate and stuff. This is inside. This is inside of my own. This is the doorway. This is the door. The door and outside. And this is actually inside. This is inside of the house. This is inside of the house. This is where, like, when night time when the rat them come in, they walk through there. This is like where the rat them walk through. This is my ID when I used to run. We used to go to mall and high school, and my mother will run and get. This is my tie. Actually, you can see that my bed is on black. My bed is on black, and this is like this same room. My stove and kitchen in my kitchen is in the same room as well. This is a part of where I live. This is the bed. These are the clothes. This is not all the clothes because actually I move up at a place where somebody gave my father a couple months, but that is not much better. So, and the people them soon want them place. So actually, no. When I just when I get pregnant and I tell another that I'm pregnant, they say I'm telling lie. I'm telling lie.
Saturday, August 21, 2021. I'm Peter here, and welcome to the Supreme Ventures Early Bird Game Draw. Now, before we begin, here's a quick look at last night's winning numbers. Remember, all Supreme Ventures live game shows are being supervised by the Betting, Gaming, and Lotteries Commission and observed by the independent auditing firm PwC. Now, let's put some.
And Renisa grandma is telling people that I'm trying to scam them. I'm not scamming anybody. I'm not telling any lie. I'm not trying to scam anybody. I'm just actually telling people how I feel and what I'm going through. When I just have Renisha, we just get pregnant. Renisha was in school. I was going to school till June till I was about 6 months old, and nobody knew that I was pregnant. My auntie found out I was pregnant for about 1 month or 2 months, but I did not know I'm pregnant. So I was staying with her at West Green, so she kicked me out and bring about my clothes. Actually, her friends can tell you the truth. I'm not telling lie. She actually cured my clothes back at this home in a and it's you and my uniform in his hand. Then when I got pregnant, and I tell them that I'm pregnant, everybody was I was saying I'm telling lie because I didn't have any belly showing, but I was not telling any lie. Then actually now when all I'm going through, I was getting my sister putting me up, and I was there and we were not getting along because you know when you're pregnant you're very moody, but I was getting along with her. So I actually moved back to this home again. Actually my life I'm moving up and down. My mother have 7 children and he did not grow any of us. He gave us all away. He gave us all away. So I don't grow with a mother. I don't know a mother love. So when I'm trying to raise my child, I want to give them the best. I'm trying to give my child the best attention and the best that I can. No people see I'm laughing every day, but deep down they don't know my ass. They don't know the thing are the real smile on my face. And actually, when I got pregnant with Renisha now, she was giving me anything, and I tell another say, but I'm giving my mother things to give to you, and actually like she was taking the money and doing something different. Some of the time she was using another like to stop from school to wash her car and she pay her and he would give her the money, but in the end of the day Renisa was not getting any money because I was getting any money. Cause actually if I was getting money I would buy baby clothes for my baby when I was going to have baby. And I didn't buy any baby clothes for my baby when I was going to have baby. Only clothes I have when I was going to have baby, it was my sister gave me clothes because my sister was pregnant. When my sister was pregnant, she lost the baby. And when she lost the baby, she was having a lot of baby clothes and things, and she gave me them. That was the baby clothes I put on Renisha. I didn't go to any store and buy any baby clothes. I didn't go to any store and buy no baby clothes or nothing at all. When I have a baby, my auntie was telling me to come down here at West Kid and stay some of the time, but some of the time she was telling me more like Kevin, I was pregnant, so I couldn't do a lot of work in his house again, because when she took me when I was 14 out of this house, she was like using me, you know, when you help somebody and you're using them, but you help them, but you're using them at the same time. So she was using me by like working in shop, or if she want go downtown and buy her grocery for them and come back, cause me willing to do it, cause me don't have a better choice. So I was like, I have to go downtown and buy a grocery for her when the shop need grocery, and I have to sell in the shop and make my lunch money to go to school. But she would give me money, and she would give me foods and everything, but I was kind of working to send myself to school. I was working to send myself to school, and that was it. I was doing checks and feed, then I was stopped doing check and, but I was good at check and feed, because if you look in the mirror in 2016 at Champs, I got to Champs and I run. If I'm willing to do something, I'm going to do it, because I know my father struggled with me. Some of the time my father don't even have money to send me to school, but actually I still went to school. My father gave me everything I want, because my mother wasn't there. I don't know mother love. I don't know. I don't know if my mother ever kissed me from my born or hug up me and tell me that, Shanice, I love you. And when I was in West Green, I was going to school, then I get pregnant. When I get pregnant, I was telling her I'm pregnant. She said, lie, I'm not pregnant. So it ended up that he was giving me mother things, and he was not giving me till I actually have baby. Up to when I was staying at my sister, she wasn't buying anything sent to my sister when I was staying there and pregnant. And the grandmother did not buy any baby clothes for her, Renisa. She did not buy any baby clothes for her. And actually when I have baby at the hospital, she come up there and she take off the alt of my baby and I say, he have enough ear on the head like we. And then she said to me, say, don't put Naldo name in a baby name. Actually, Naldo have two names. Now I have Renaldo Grant and Renaldo Williams. So actually, if I put it in Renaldo Grant, actually one day I have to change, because Naldo himself have to change his own name for instance to get his real name too. So I did not put it in there, I put it in my name. So that is the outcome. I wasn't running to put anybody to court or nothing, because I know it is in my name and I didn't want to get in any problem or anything at all. So I actually got the baby clothes I got from me was from my sister, and it was like I was a traveling bag. If I could find a traveling bag right now, I would actually show you the traveling bag of clothes where my sister gave to me with those clothes. That was all the clothes I got. That was all of the clothes that I got. That was all of, but I don't find it at this moment. But actually, that was all the clothes that I got. And when I have baby, like I have 6 pampers. I bring 6 pampers to the hospital to have a baby. So when I have the baby now, she come and look at the baby and the pampers was finished. So she go and buy 6 more pampers and a juice and a juice to me to drink. Cause you know that when you have baby, it's a hole in your tummy, you're hungry, so I drink it. I didn't really eat anything. And actually now, 1 week after I come out of the hospital, she called my phone and said if I want to do DNA, I tell her yes. But everybody know that in November it's a very rainy month and I just have baby. And she called me and said she go make Naldo go to school, go the exam first, because he want him pass the exam and Naldo bright.
My people, sometimes when we think that we have life hard, we better think again. You might be surprised to know that there are persons out there who have got through even harder struggles in life than me and you. See? Look, I know so that you have some persons who will see this video and might want to help the female shown in the video. You know? viewers and subscribers, let me say certain things. I do not know when this video will be recorded. I cannot tell you if this is a recent video or if this is a video that I recorded years ago. No, I cannot tell you, right? I do not know the female. I've never talked to the female before in no way, nor no form. So therefore, the things that the female said in the video, I cannot confirm if they are true or if they are not true. No. See? However, if I get any contact for the female, I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video and let you know what I know. But if you decide to help the female, you will be doing so at your own risk. Because I do not know the female. I've never talked to the female before. I cannot confirm if the things that she said are true. So if you decide to help the female, you will be doing so at your own risk. Now, the female said some things in the video that gave me the understanding that she said that she was pregnant and she was going to school at one point of her life. It might not be word for word as to how she said it, but that's the understanding that I got from some of the things that she said in the video. Now, when it reached that part of the video, viewers and subscribers, I started to wonder how old was the baby father and how old was the female at that time when she said she was pregnant. See, all them things that make me wonder, because I can remember as far back as the high school, you know, quite a number of young girls who I know got pregnant and dropped out of high school, you see me? And I remember a father, right? I remember a father, somebody who I know, you see me? At that time, I think I left high school at that time. I'm not exactly sure, but I think I left high school at that time. But his daughter got pregnant and she did not graduate from school as yet. Let me tell you something, that man was so upset. That man is like, he want to take her out time house. He want to have to leave him house immediately. But in my point of view, they think they're going to put more stress and strain on the girl because she's pregnant and there's a child in the belly. So if you stress the mother, you stress the child too. That's my point of view, you know. So I think it would be best to just try and see if I can, alright, give the girl some support and then put her back on the right track. I mean, tell us if it put her through a bed of roses, you know, and like you compliment them, say, yes, alright, you did something well. No, I cannot say it is well, you know, because everybody have their own choice in life of how they want to raise them child. You see me, I say, but the point is that if you're upset that she got pregnant and didn't graduate high school as yet and so forth, what you have to do is don't stress her at that point, because that can cause a stress on the baby, and you might be frightened to know so your grandchild come out with some form of problem at birth where you see him when I go enough stress again. That if you care enough for your grandchild, you see? My people, listen, everybody make mistakes, even me myself, as whole as maybe make mistake. You understand? See? We make mistake, you know? But yeah, so I'm gonna leave it. So let me know what you think about the things that the female said in this video. You know, I just present the video to you so that you can hear some of the things that she said, and you can also let me know what you think about the video and so on. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.